Hello everyone, welcome to our latest video. My name is Thamizharasu, your dedicated business coach. Whether you are an entrepreneur just starting your journey or a seasoned professional, business development is a crucial part of your path to success. Over the next few minutes, we are going to peel back the layers of this fascinating world, exploring everything from its core principles and essential skills to the role of networking and digital marketing and customer relationship management. We will also delve into how to measure success and learn from real world examples. So without further ado, let's jump right into mastering business development.
1. Defining business development. Business development is all about creating long-term value from customers, markets, and relationships. It involves strategies to improve profitability, increase revenue, and drive business growth by establishing partnerships and making strategic business decisions. 2. The evolution of business development. Business development has evolved significantly over time. Particularly in the digital age, it's no longer only about personal connections and face-to-face meetings. With technology advancements, businesses have access to a global market, where digital communication, data analysis, and online marketing play crucial roles. 3. Key skills for successful business development. Successful business development professionals are those who possess key skills such as strategic thinking, excellent communication, negotiation skills, and an ability to understand market trends. These skills are essential to identify and seize opportunities, forge valuable relationships, and ultimately drive growth. 4. The role of networking. Networking is a pillar of business development. Building relationships can lead to partnerships, sales leads, and increased exposure. Whether it's through attending industry events or participating in online forums, networking remains a significant strategy in business development. 5. Innovation's impact. Innovation serves as fuel for business development. Whether it's innovating a product, process, or business model, creativity can open up new paths for growth, give you a competitive edge, and enable you to meet your customers' needs more effectively. 6. The importance of customer relationship management, CRM. CRM systems play a crucial role in business development. These systems help you manage customer relationships, track sales and interactions, and analyze customer data for valuable insights, thereby contributing to the formulation of effective business development strategies. 7. Measuring business development success. How do you know your business development efforts are successful? It's all about setting clear goals and defining key performance indicators such as revenue growth, customer acquisition, and lead conversion rates. Measuring your efforts allows you to adjust strategies and make informed decisions. 8. Digital marketing's impact. Digital marketing has revolutionized business development. It offers diverse channels like social media, SEO, and email marketing to reach a global audience. Digital marketing provides valuable customer data and insights, paving the way for informed business development strategies. 9. Real-world examples of successful business development. Finally, nothing reinforces learning better than real-world examples. Look at companies like Apple, which constantly innovates its product offerings, or Amazon, which excels in CRM and digital marketing. These companies demonstrate the power of effective business development strategies. So, there you have it. Business development is a multifaceted process that requires strategic thinking, networking, innovation, effective use of CRM, and digital marketing. It's about constantly learning, adapting, and aiming for sustainable growth. Remember, business development isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.